Hello, this is Mike and welcome to another video, Road to $1 million. How to deposit money to eToro and which way is the most cost effective? Today I will show you 3 different options how to deposit money to eToro. And after that I will show you how I am buying several stocks even though the market right now is closed. So let's get started. First option that I will show you is deposit money using Revolut virtual card. So for each of the options I will use $100. So we can see it's 100, choosing the card, deposit, need to put the CCV, deposit. Deposit has been proceeded successfully. So this is one of the options. The other one, it's deposit money using your standard bank account, so my standard card, which is this option. Again, I will put $100, it's there, deposit, waiting. To be honest, I'm not sure if there will be any, some SMS code needed, which I was pretty surprised that there was no SMS code needed for eToro, or sorry, for Revolut to eToro, so I was kind of surprised. Okay, deposit, and it's there, already confirmed also by my bank. And the last option will be PayPal. So I will choose PayPal. $100 is there. Continue. So you need to log into your PayPal account, of course. And then, so you need to choose your cards. You can have different cards connected to your PayPal. So I will choose Revolut. And what is very important is to change the currency. So I'm changing it from GBP to USD dollars and pay in USD dollars. Again, confirm to pay. And so again, no confirmation message needed for this type of transfer. So we can see that your deposit have been proceeded successfully. So let's check the account. Before that I got it $52 and right now I got 352. So there were 3 different options as I mentioned. So at the end of the video I will show you in some very simple Excel spreadsheet what have been the differences in exchange rate and basically which option is the most cost effective if you are not dealing or you're not living in US and you got as your primary account US bank account, USD dollars bank account. So what I was saying, the next steps will be that we are going to buy several stocks. So let's show you at least couple of how to buy them. So as I already mentioned in my previous video, usually I'm buying stocks which are in my portfolio in the lowest, or they are in red numbers from profit loss percentage point of view, and my positions there are lower, so $50 or $100. So you can see that the second from bottom basically is Procter & Gamble. So let's buy Procter & Gamble. So how to do it? Click on Procter & Gamble, then click on buy button. choose amount. I will choose 50. Leverage 1. As I mentioned, I'm not using leverage at all, never. Take profit, so no take profit. What does it mean? It means that I will never close this position, even though the profit would be 100%, 1000%. If you are a long investor, this is how you should do it. Because there are some stocks, obviously, which can rise in 1 year even by 100, 200, 1000. And in this case, if you would have some take profit stop, it would automatically be closed by eToro. So set order, and it is there. Another, so let's buy another one. For example, yeah, General Mills. So again, my PNL is right now more than -6%. So again, buy button, put 50, leverage, just check it. Yeah, no leverage there, no stop loss, and also let's put no take profit stop. Set order. It is there. Let's buy another one. So again, going down, waste management. So buy, check it, no stop loss, leverage 1, take profit, oops, no take profit, and put 50. Set order. Let's buy another, at least 1 or 2. So another one is LMT. So again, we are in red numbers, or I'm in red numbers, -5%. So buy, leverage 1, take profit, no take profit, 50, no stop loss, set order. It's there. One thing that I would like to mention is that you can see that my available account or amount is decreasing, but you can see that net invested is not increasing. How come? So the reason for that is that, as I mentioned, I'm shooting this one in the morning. It's basically right now, as you cannot see it, sorry, it's 11 a.m. So the market will be opened afternoon. Once the market is open, then it will be automatically opened, this position that I am right now basically ordering them. So let's buy at least one another. Buy, take profit, no take profit, 50, leverage is there, open trade. Okay. So another thing that I just want to show you is, if you look on my previous video, you can see that one of the first milestones that I already hit is $1,000 profit. So it's there, and we are getting very, very close with these new deposits that I just made, that in coming days I believe there will be $10,000 there. So still way to 1 million, but it's nice milestones when they are going to hit. But obviously, as I'm mentioning, and I will be repeating this one all the time, what is happening today, what is happening tomorrow or yesterday, these numbers, of course, when they are green, it's good, it's nice, but they are not so important. As I am, and hopefully you are, if you are watching this video, long-term investors, 10, 20, 30 years, this is our investment strategy. So if it is today green, it's good. If it is going to be red, even better, we can buy some cheap stocks, good cheap stocks. Okay, so right now we can check what have been the differences basically in exchange rate. So let me check my bank transfer account. So there have been $100 using my bank account. Basically, this bank account was in USD dollars. So then the exchange rate, I need to check which one have been used, or was it today exchange rate? Okay, so using my bank, 2,202 Czech crowns would be needed, or was needed today. So let's put it like that. Okay, let's check the Revolut right now. Yeah, so I can see it right now. It was 2,151, and basically very similar, or let's put it, okay, so 2,150.6, yeah, and 2,151.1. So basically same, have been used for Revolut, directly Revolut, or Revolut and then PayPal. So let's compare. So let's put this one as a base. So minus Revolut. So difference is 51 Czech crowns. Not so much, you can say. And then obviously here the difference is 0 or 1 Czech crown. But let's say, what's the percentage? So again, 51 divided by this as the cheapest option. Okay, so the cheapest option, or not the cheapest, let's say the most expensive option is using the bank transfer, which is, let's say, 2.3, almost 2.4% more expensive compared to Revolut or Revolut PayPal, which obviously it was awaited basically. The reason for that is that it's well known and Revolut is offering better exchange rates than most of the standard, I would say, banks. Okay, so that's everything from my side, and talk to you and see you next time. Thank you. Bye.